In this question, we're told that it took Kevin 50 minutes to finish his first math test. Then it says it only took Kevin 35 minutes to complete his second math test, and what was the percent decrease in time? So what we want to do is compare our first test, which was at 50 minutes, to our second test, which was at 35 minutes. So in order to find out the percent decrease, what I need to find out is well, how much did it decrease in minutes to begin with? So if I take 50 and subtract 35, what I've got is a 15-minute decrease. So what I then want to determine is what percentage is 15 of my original amount at 50 up here. So I'm going to take my 15 minutes and divide that by my 50 minutes. Now if I do that, I can either get an equivalent fraction, say this is 30 over 100, which is also equal to 0.3, which is also equal to 30%. Or I could have used my calculator and divided the two, in which case I still would have got 0.3 and multiplied that by 100, again to get 30%.